Hi, I'm Carol Fitzgerald, CEO of New Horizons, Inc. New Horizons Village has been under construction for the last 6-8 months, but it's an exciting time here at the Village. We are improving accessibility for our 101 tenants, new pathways that are devoid of the cracks that are shown with age, and more importantly, the inclines are being modified to accommodate the wheelchairs that pass over them every day. We're putting in new lighting so that the safety of our residents is considered. There are personal care attendants that travel through our campus, in the evening hours when it's dark, and on 26 acres, you could imagine with woods and animals, it's a lot safer to have wonderful bright lighting. We will also be energy efficient with new siding, windows, and doors, and making it much more comfortable for the tenants who live here. In addition to the exterior renovations, we're doing major renovations to the interior of New Horizons Congregate Building. We have a health services office that provides resources to our tenants, which will be modeled now to give them more privacy and the ability to work with our staff. We have a transportation office that is really doing great things here at New Horizons that will also provide for a waiting room for our tenants so they can comfortably wait for their rides. We have a wonderfully large room here at New Horizons Village called our Great Room, which is enjoyed at holiday time, for program events. So it's going to be really a joy to share that room with all our tenants at New Horizons Village. Additionally, we have a library, a rec room, and a snack shack that also are getting improvements in terms of the ability to access those rooms by our tenants. The spaces are going to be more cohesive for wheelchair usage. So we're really excited about the tenants being able to enjoy those rooms when the construction is completed. My favorite place on campus is our pavilion. It was the first building that was built on our 26 acres by our founding fathers. It has a special place in all our hearts here at New Horizons Village. It's an outdoor area with a fireplace and a kitchen, and we celebrate a lot of great times there at the pavilion. So that's a special place here on campus that everybody's able to enjoy. To make it even a little bit more special, we are selling bricks to create a walkway from our sidewalk leading all the way to the pavilion. And those bricks will honor past residents, our founding fathers, and that will be a permanent marker. Our next construction adventure will be a 22-unit building built on our campus that will house single units. Many of our tenants share their apartments with a housemate. In some instances, that could be a very difficult living arrangement for people with disabilities especially. It can be very challenging for people with a lot of equipment and living in wheelchairs. We believe that these single units will afford our tenants to live a higher quality of life, and we're very grateful that we received the funding in order to move forward with this construction. We're hoping to really be able to celebrate the completion of all this construction. It's been an inconvenience, obviously, and difficult for the tenants to have to deal with, especially navigating the campus with wheelchairs. But we think in the end it will pay off and it'll be a great facility for all to enjoy for years to come.